It's that time of the year again. We just got back from vacation and it was 64 degrees in the house. We didn't need it before we left, but while we were gone, it got pretty cold, like 30s at night and stuff. So it got cold in the house while we were gone. So it's 64 degrees right now, so it's time to turn on the furnace. So, something worth noting is this summer, over the summer, we had problems with humidity down here. And when the air conditioner would run, the metal ducts would sweat. And it sweated all over and dripped down onto the furnace, making this rust here worse. There was already some rust here, but it's worse right there. And you can see it has run down the side of the furnace right there. There's a red mark that goes all the way down. And I'll go ahead and take this off. You can see there's some rust all the way like down the bottom of the draft inducer and stuff. And the camera can't really see because it's not bright enough, but there's some rust right there. Some of this was already there, but it's worse this year, so I hope that the heat exchanger was not impacted by that. Hopefully that was away from the water, but there's also rust on top of here, on top of the burner housing, like right there. So yeah, there's some new rust on our furnace this year, which isn't really good. This thing is 30, this will be, what, it's 31st year? No, 30th. It's from 94. So this is a 30-year-old furnace. So, get this camera set up on the tripod. Alright, that should be good. So, I'll go do the thermostat overlay on the screen and I'll start it up. Hopefully all goes well. It's on. Smell the stink. Oh yeah. Got that classic heater that hasn't ran in a while smell. As long as it's not too strong, I kind of like that smell. But yep, it's warm. Oops. Flames look okay. I don't know if the cameras often don't seem to really pick it up, but there's some orange flashes. It looks better, it looks bluer on camera, but there's some orange flashes. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go start up the humidifier, and I'm going to watch the flames. While I'm doing that, usually I set it below the humidifier, but I'm going to turn on the humidifier while the camera is looking at the flames, just because I'm curious to see if that affects it at all. I might put this down just a little bit. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go turn on the humidifier. Alright. Because someone in my comment section said that maybe it had to do with like the moisture that the humidity makes that's making it not burn as well, but I don't know. It looks similar, maybe a little more orange. I don't know. But yeah. Alright, let's put this cover back on. Alright, that's it for the first startup of my Tempstar SP80 gas furnace for the 2024 and 25 heating season. And there's the humidifier right there. It's an April Air Model 760. Alright, out.